So you go to the place to get radiation, you go every day, and you walk in and there's like, they call it the labyrinth, literally, that's what it's called. It's a room that is structured in such a way so the photons cannot escape and hurt people besides you. Labyrinths, not traditionally great for protagonists, but I'm in there. Lying down, and there is a particle accelerator in there with me, like most expensive machine I've ever been near. Gonna do like ridiculous things to my body. Like if I got this level of radiation exposure at work, I could sue them for so much money, but I'm doing it on purpose, so it costs money. And so I lay down on the thing, and it like sort of like moves around me, this giant robot particle accelerator laser thing, and then I know that it's gonna be like one of the most impactful things that ever happens to my body, and it happens, and it feels like nothing, and it makes this noise. It's the future. We have arrived in the future. Make it sound cool. Like just